Welcome to my channel. Watch my video till the end. If you like this channel, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell button which you see in the screen. In the last video which I have posted and you might have seen, when a new partner purchases an existing partner share, in such a case the share which is bought by the new partner or bought by the new partner should be debited to the existing partner's capital account in the profit sharing ratio and credited to the new partner's capital account. That is, the journal entry will be existing partner's capital account debtor to new partner's capital account. That is, the existing partner's capital should be divided in the profit sharing ratio. With regard to the admission of a partner, the existing partner share which is bought by the new partner can be one of the methods for the admission of a partner. There are some other cases which the partners, that is the new partner, may be admitted. That is investment in the partnership business and the bonus to the new and the existing partner. What do you mean by the investment in the partnership business? When a new partner's capital is equal to the new partner's investment. When a new partner brings in cash or other assets instead of buying the existing partner's interest, that is, the investment in the partner method is adopted. We can see some of the illustrations with regarding to the investment in the partnership. A and B are partners with a capital balance of 150,000 each. C is admitted as a new partner and brings from 75,000 for 20% share. Calculate the new partner's share of capital and also pass the journal entry for the same. First, in this illustration, you are required to calculate the C partner's capital, C partner's share of capital, and also you have to pass the journal entry. How to calculate the C share of capital or the new partner share of capital? Total capital of the old partners, that is A and B, put together 150,000 plus 150,000 put together, it comes to 300,000. C's investment, the amount of money which is brought by C is 75,000. Put together, it comes to 375,000. That becomes the total capital after C's admission in the partnership business. Now we have to find out the C share of capital. C share of capital equals to total capital after new partner's admission times share of the new partner. Here the new partner capital, the capital after the admission of the new partner, that is 375,000 times 20%, which comes to rupees 75,000. In the above calculation, you can see the new partner's investment is equal to the new partner's capital. The journal entry which has to be passed over here is the cash account to be debited and the new partner's capital account, that is C's capital account, to be credited 75,000, which is the amount of money which is brought in by C. We can take the next illustration. Amla and Bimla are partners with a capital balance of 300,000 and 200,000 respectively. Bimla is admitted as a new partner and brings 100,000 for 1/6 share. Calculate the new partner share of capital and pass the journal entry. So how to calculate the new partner's capital? In the same method which you made in the illustration number 1. Total capital of the old partners put together, that is 300,000 plus 200,000 put together, comes to 500,000. Vimla's investment, that is the amount of money which is brought by Vimla, is 100,000, which comes to 600,000. So that becomes the total capital after the Vimla's investment or Vimla's admission. Now we have to find out the Vimla share of capital, which is the total capital of the new partner's admission times share of the new partner, that is 600,000 times 6 is 100,000. Here also, in the above calculation, the new partner's investment is equal to the new partner's capital. What is the journal entry which has to be passed? Again, here cash account to be debited and the Vimla's capital account to be credited. Now you can see one more illustration. Age and Age are partners having a capital balance of 500,000 and 300,000 respectively. Arm is admitted as a partner for 2/6 share and brings cash from 50,000, buildings from 150,000 and vehicles from 200,000. Calculate the new partner's share and pass the journal entry for the same. How? Here again you have to calculate the new partner's share of capital. Total capital of the old partners, that is Age and Ange put together, 500,000 plus 300,000 is 800,000. Arm's investment, that is what is brought by Arm, she is bringing cash plus building plus vehicle. Put together it comes to 400,000. So put together it comes to 1,200,000. That is the total capital after the Arm's admission. Arm's share of capital equals to total capital after the new partner admission times new share of new partner. That is 1,200,000 times 26, which is becoming 400,000. In the above calculation, the new partner's investment is equal to the new partner's capital. Now, how to pass the journal entry over here? Since Arm is bringing, that is the new partner is bringing the cash, building, vehicles, etc. So, cash account to be debited, buildings account to be debited, vehicles account to be debited. Cash account 50,000, buildings account 150,000, vehicles account 200,000. All put together, it comes to 400,000, which has to be credited to the Arm's capital account. Here also, being cash, buildings and vehicles brought by Arm. Next, we can see the bonus to a new partner. When a bonus is given to the new partner, when the new partner's capital is greater than the new partner's investment, that is, new partner's capital is greater than the new partner's investment. A bonus is paid to a new partner when the new partner's capital is greater than the new partner's investment in the partnership business. So, what is the journal entry has to be passed when the new partner's capital is greater than new partner's investment? Cash account to be debited, old partner's capital account to be debited. How to find out the old partner's capital account? What is the amount to be entered when the old partner's capital account to be debited? Capital of the new partner minus the new partner's investment to new partner's capital account. Here you can see, or you can be able to understand from the illustration number 1, A and B are partners sharing profits and losses equally. C is admitted as a new partner and bring cash of 400,000 for 1/5 share in the partnership firm. The following is the capital balance of A and B before admitting C. A's capital 10,000, B's capital 10,000, total capital is 25,000. Prepare a journal entry and record the amount of bonus paid to the new partner. So, when a bonus is paid to the new partner, you should understand that the new partner's capital is greater than the new partner's investment. Now, you have to calculate the new partner's share of capital. Total capital of the old partners A and B put together 10,000 plus 10,000 put together, it is coming to 20,000. C's investment or the amount of money which is brought by the new partner C is 4,000 over here. So, all put together it is coming to 24,000, that is the total capital after the admission of the new partner, that is C. C's share of capital equals to total capital after the new partner's admission times the share of the new partner, that is 24,000 times 1/5, which comes to rupees 4,800. Now, if you compare the amount of investment which is brought by the new partner is 4,000 and the C's share of capital, that is the new partner share of capital, is 4,800. The difference is 800, which has to be debited to the old partner's capital account in the profit sharing ratio. This is the difference between the first model and the second model over here. Now, what is the journal entry to be passed? Cash account to be debited. How much is the cash brought by the new partner? 4,000. Then A's capital, that is the existing partner's capital or the old partner's capital, to be debited, that is 4,800 minus 4,000, which comes to rupees 800. And how they are sharing the profits and losses? They were sharing the profits and losses equally. So 800 times half 1/2 comes to rupees 400. Similarly, for B's capital, 800 times 1/2 comes to rupees 400. So totally 800 rupees is divided in such a way which has to be shared between the partners in the profit sharing ratio. Now I will be telling the journal entry: cash account to be debited, A's capital account to be debited, B's capital account to be debited. So cash account 4000 to be debited, A's capital account to be debited is 400, B's capital account is to be debited 400, and C's capital account 4800, being cash brought in by C. So this is the way which has to be calculated when the new partner's capital is more than the new partner's investment. We can see one more illustration with regard to the new partner's capital and the new partner's investment when the new partner's capital is greater than the new partner's investment. Shukla and Gupta are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:1. Goyal is admitted as a new partner and brings cash of 10,000 for 1/5 share in the partnership firm. The following is the capital balance of Shukla and Gupta before admitting Goyal. Shukla's capital 30,000, Gupta's capital 20,000, total capital is 50,000. Prepare a journal entry to record the amount of bonus paid to the new partner. Calculation of the new partner's capital. Total capital of old partner, that is Shukla and Gupta, put together, it comes to 30,000 plus 20,000, 50,000. Add the new partner's investment. How much is the new partner brought in into the firm? That is, the Goyal's investment is 10,000. Totally put together comes to 60,000. Now Goyal's share of capital equals to total capital after the new partner's admission times share of the new partner. So the total capital after the admission of the new partner comes to 60,000. The share of the new partner is 1/5, which comes to 12,000. If we compare the Goyal's investment and the Goyal's capital, the Goyal's capital is greater than the Goyal's investment. So what is the journal entry to be passed? Cash account to be debited, Shukla's capital account, that is the old partner's capital account, to be debited, Gupta's capital account to be debited, this is also the old partner or the existing partner, and Goyal's capital account to be credited. How much is the cash brought by the new partner? 10,000 is the cash brought by the new partner. And here the new partner's capital is 12,000. So the difference between the cash brought in by the new partner and the amount of capital of the new partner is 12,000. The difference comes to 2,000, which has to be divided in the profit sharing ratio. 20,000 of 4/5 comes to 1600. 2,000 of 4/5 comes to rupees 1600, and the 2,000 of 1/5 comes to 400. This is the way the journal entry has to be passed. Bonus to the existing partners. When the new partner's capital is less than the new partner's investment. In the previous case, we have seen when the new partner's capital is greater than the new partner's investment. This is just an opposite of the previous method. A bonus is paid to the existing partner when the share of the new partner's capital is less than the new partner's investment in the partnership business. What is the journal entry to be passed? Cash account to be debited, old partner's capital account to be credited, and the new partner's capital account also to be credited. Here we can see some of the illustrations with regarding to this method. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses equally. C is admitted as a new partner and brings Malcolm 13,000 for 1/4 share in the partnership firm. The following is the capital balance of A and B before admitting C. A's capital 10,000, B's capital 10,000. The total capital is 20,000. That is, the existing partner's capital put together is 20,000. Prepare journal entry at the time of the admission of C. When you want to make the journal entry, you have to know the new partner's capital. How to find out the new partner's share of capital? So total capital of A and B put together 10,000 plus 10,000, 20,000. C's investment is 13,000. The total capital after the C's admission is 33,000. C share of capital equals to total capital of the after the new partner's admission times the share of the new partner. So when you calculate it, 33,000 of 1/5 comes to 8,250. The amount of investment or the amount of cash which is brought by the new partner is 13,000, and the amount of capital of the new partner is 8,250. That is, the amount of capital is less than the new partner's investment. How the journal entry has to be passed over here? The journal entry is cash account to be debited, the new partner's capital account, that is A's capital account, to be credited, B's capital account to be credited, and the C's capital account, that is the new partner's capital account, also to be credited. 13,000 is the amount of money which is brought by the new partner, and the share of the new partner is 8,250 according to the calculation above. Now the difference comes to 4,750, which has to be divided according to the profit sharing ratio. The profit sharing ratio is equally, that is, they are dividing the profits and losses equally. So 4,750 times half equals to 2,375 for A, and also for B 4,750 times 1/2 is 2,375. This is the way which has to be passed for the method under when the new partner's capital is less than the new partner's investment. So I have given another illustration, all the three methods put together. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1 with capitals of 300,000 and 200,000 respectively. C is admitted as a new partner for 1/6 share of profits of the firm. Calculate C share of capital. If C brings in cash, 100,000. If C brings in cash, 1 lakh or 136,000, and C brings in cash 64,000. So you can calculate it and see, and you can find out whether the capital is equal to the investment, or whether the capital is greater than the investment, new partner capital is greater than the investment or less than the investment. I have calculated and shown below. You can refer after calculating by you. Thanks for watching my channel. Have a good day.